It's Christy with Destination Barbecue. Even though it is cold outside, so it's a whole whopping 30 degrees outside tonight, and I don't know, I don't feel like going outside to grill, so I'm going to make Mies-Philip's restaurant steaks here at home. Now, in order to do so, what you're going to want to do is get a cast iron pan, and as you can see, we have this bad boy. It is screaming hot. Ah, screaming! And we're going to take our thawed restaurant steaks. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now, restaurant steaks are made with steak quality meat and it's mixed with suet. So when we put these into our cast iron pan, we don't have to do any kind of grease or anything because of the suet. Now, we'll put this in here. We got a nice sizzle going. And we're going to go 90 seconds on this. Now, if you don't have a timer or you forgot, and you want to make sure that you're cooking your restaurant steak appropriately, you are going to wait until the top of the restaurant steak has a little bit of liquid on the top here. So we'll have to wait a little bit. And once we get that going, that is when you will know when to flip. Now before, or while we're waiting for this to be done, we're going to take a little more salt and pepper. And we're going to salt and pepper the second side here. Got to balance it out here. Now, at Destination Barbecue, we not only sell Mies-Philip's restaurant steaks, we also sell Mies-Philip's tenderettes, pork tenderettes. We have 6 kinds of brats, bacon, 2 kinds of bacon, old-fashioned bacon and apple pie, and then we also have ribs. So stop on by to Destination Barbecue and pick those up at any time. Now, Laura, come on in here. We're going to see, we are getting close to having to flip our restaurant steak. And on our timer, we're spot on. We've got about 24 seconds left. So we're going to wait for that to happen. And then we're going to take and flip our restaurant steak over. Now, once we do that, we are going to take a slice of Kraft Singles, because this is the best milk and cheese that we found for restaurant steaks. And we're going to put that on the top. We'll cook that for another 90 seconds. And then we're going to take our burger off the grill. And we are going to put it on our hard rolls that we have here, where we have buttered them on both sides. And I'll show you the yumminess here in just a second. All right, our timer is done. So we are going to flip our restaurant steak over. All right. All right. And we're going to put the cheese on. Now, in order for the cheese to melt a little bit quicker, I am going to take a basting cover that we use on our griddles, which is also available at Destination Barbecue. And we're going to help put that on to help the cheese melt just a little quicker for us here. And we're going to cook it for another 90 seconds. Now, I don't know about you, I like putting bacon on my restaurant steak. I guess that's a no-no if you're like in the world of Wisconsin and in Sheboygan. So I guess, you know, oh well, I like bacon. All right, we're gonna take a peek here. All right, that is looking pretty darn good to me. So we are going to take our restaurant steak and we're gonna put it on our hard roll. Now, my favorite part about the restaurant steaks is not only that they cook really fast, but this has not shrunk at all. So when we go to put this on our hard roll, look at this thing. This is overflowing on this hard roll. So when we put the top bun on, holy smokes, that thing is gigantic. So happy eating, everybody. And remember, even though it's cold outside, you can still enjoy Mies-Philip's restaurant steaks at home inside on your cast iron pan.